Hello friends and welcome to Fashionista. This time I'm going to show you something about yoga. Now what is yoga? Yoga is a very old Indian technique or system which brings oneself a better way of living and how to keep yourself disciplined. So we have with us the yoga guru Sebi Akara. Hi Sebi, I don't know much about yoga, so I've jotted down some points on my diary which I'm going to ask you. First I want to know what are the different breathing techniques in yoga?
The thing is, there are many breathing techniques actually, and there are few basic breathing techniques which are based on all the other yoga breathing techniques.
Okay.
So the techniques in the sense, see it's very simple. Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi is very simple, and Aniloma Viloma.
Now these words are all Sanskrit words.
Yeah, these are all Sanskrit. Nadi Shuddhi is something like that. It's nothing, but it's cleansing. Nadi Shuddhi. There are two nerves.
Cleansing the body.
Yeah, because basically breathing is explained. We have one nostril, one nose with two nostrils, isn't it? So both are entirely different system related to. Right nostril is Surya Nadi, left nostril is Chandra Nadi. So this regulating these two particular systems. Surya is sun, it's a hot. Chandra, moon represents cold. Hot.
So it's on the left side,
Right
left
is
nostril.
hot, left is cold.
Okay.
So it is all about regulating these two particular systems. We say that if you can balance these two particular systems, you can balance your whole body system.
Is it?
That's nothing else.
Okay.
But that is what in advanced stage of yoga, we say that, see, you require just only one exercise is to sit for a long time meditation for breathing practice.
Yeah.
So what happened? See, that time you definitely understand how to control this body with your breath or your mind.
All right.
So what happens? This is scientifically when you consider regulating these two particular systems, hot, cold. If you know to regulate these two particular systems, you can balance your whole body system. That's very simple actually. But that is what in advanced stage of yoga, breathing is more important. Then it leads you to the meditation. That's what.
Okay, and friends, there are different ways in yoga, like there are different postures, and one of the most practiced yoga is the Raja Yoga.
The thing is, basically there are main four streams of yoga.
Okay.
Karma yoga, Bhakti yoga, Raja yoga, Jnana yoga.
Okay, it's not Raja Yoga, it's Raj Yoga.
Raj yoga. Raj yoga. See, live like a king.
Yeah.
That's what basically. Karma yoga. It's apart from Raj yoga. See, under Raj yoga only all other yoga practices goes. It's all the Ashtanga yoga, all the yoga schools goes under Raj yoga. The thing is all Ashtanga yoga, all the other schools of yoga comes under Raj yoga. But Karma yoga, it's like, it's not about the exercise. It is about the living actually. It's about the living. Karma yoga, without expecting a fruit, you are doing something to somebody.
All right.
That's what Karma yoga. So that as it is exactly fulfill the theory that you reach from this individual level to the supreme level. Raj yoga, Jnana yoga, intellectual power, isn't it? You have an intellectual power, do the maximum into the positive.
Intellectual power will be closer to concentrating exercise.
Mind, yeah. It is a mind, there is no exercise. Yeah, it is close by. Karma yoga, Bhakti yoga comes.
Bhakti would be
Bhakti
the
will
concentration
be,
again.
The thing is, see, it is like, what you pray normally, go to temple, church, something like this. Anyway, we have a prayer, isn't it? So, we says that you don't have to ask him to whomever. So, he knows what has to be given
to the Almighty.
So, yeah, particular person. So what happens? You have to give thanks for what has been given to you. So what happens? Everything becomes positive in that. This is called Chin Mudra. So we keep it like.
So this is necessary?
See, what it is very simple. It is very simple. We have to look. But the thing is, it is called Chin Mudra. Thumb is head. All Eastern theories, thumb related to the head. That's what the acupressure and all. Thumb is head. So what happens? You stimulate. So normally we use something. For any religious theory, they have got something to. So it's not simply done. There's a purpose.
So
there's a
with
purpose.
The thumb.
So what happened? There's a purpose. It helps you. It's an object.
All right.
It is an object which helps you to avoid all the distractions. It's very simple. So when you keep on doing that, it's an awareness, isn't it? And thumb is the head. Okay. So it related to the head.
So if you don't have anything in your hand and you want to concentrate, just keep it like that.
Yes. And focus the breath. Nothing else.
Breathing.
If you don't keep it like that also, you focus your inhalation and exhalation. But keep your back and neck direct hands.
Oh,
That's very important.
right angle.
Ah, yeah. Ida and Pingala, these two nerves goes along with the spine. Down.
Okay.
So that has to be straight. Otherwise what happens? You feel some blocks, means while breathing. You feel something uncomfortable. Sometimes you feel that it is
Painful.
the pain. It is not the back pain sometimes. It's a block when you focus on the breathing.
Okay.
So then if your back is straight, the flow is back.
Alright.
Flow is back. The plan. So that's very important.
Okay. Wow. I wouldn't want to know so many things, but I know we have to go and concentrate on the yoga classes also. So without wasting much of our time, let's go and see how he teaches yoga, and let's learn too.
Yeah, please. Slowly with few planes open your eye. Slowly. Slowly come on. So let's start with the breathing. Let's do it together. Keep your hands, legs together. Keep your hands a little higher than the shoulder. Look towards your fingers. Slowly inhale. Slowly, slowly. Synchronize your body movement along with the breathing. Push your chest. Exhale very slowly. Keep your hands a little higher than the shoulder. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Once again, inhale very slowly. If possible, close your eyes and feel the breath. Push your chest forward. Hold for a while. Exhale very slowly, slowly. Synchronize. Hands a little higher than the shoulder. Slowly, 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 slowly. Release your hand. Take your right leg off. Collapse it. Keep your back and neck and straight. The normal human body posture is chest is in front, shoulder is in back, head slightly up. Take a slow and deep inhalation. Very slow and long exhalation. Slow down your body. Slowly bring back your hands. And the next one, sectional breathing. Feet together, collapse your shoulder. Collapse your shoulder. Keep smiling. Slowly inhale, straight from chest. Fine. Hold for a while. Exhale very slowly. Synchronize your body movement along with the breathing. Come to the chest. Collapse your shoulder. Second from the eyes. Slowly inhale, come to the eyes. Straight from the eyes. Little higher than the shoulders. Hold for a while. Exhale very slowly. Bring it back to the eye. Touch at the eye. Slowly bring it to the chest. Again, collapse your shoulder. Inhale once again. Slowly come to the eye. Straight from the eyes. Little higher than the shoulders and hold for a while. Exhale very slowly bring it back to the eye. Slowly bring it to the chest. Again, collapse your shoulder. Third from the head. Inhale. Slowly come to the head. Twist upward. Fine stretch up. Focus towards your fingers. Feel the stretch from the toes to the fingers. Exhale very slowly, bring it back to the head. Through the eyes. Come to the chest. Again, collapsing. Feel the shoulder blades comes together. Once again, inhale. Slowly come to the head. Twist upward. Fine stretch upward. Focus. Hold for a while. Exhale very slowly, bring it back to the head. Through the eyes. Come to the chest. Again, collapsing. And the next one, angle stretch breathing. Feet together. Collapse your shoulder. Slowly inhale, raise your hand. Slowly raise your heels up. Fine stretch. Hold for a while. Exhale very slowly. Down, 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 down. Bring back your hands. And the next one is jogging. Keep your back hand and straight. Collapse your shoulders. Take a slow and deep inhalation. Cross. Straight. Exhale, forcibly. Inhale, forcibly. Slowly bring back your hands and the next one. Forward, backward bend. So legs are more than half an inch. Keep your palms at the back, palms at the back. Straighten your shoulders. Keep your elbows as much closer. Slowly inhale, lean little backward. Comfortably. Teeth together, bend from the hip. Exhale very slowly. Bend forward. Bend from the hip. Elbows as much closer. Look upward. Look upward. Head up. And when you reach into the final position, put the head down. No bend at the knees. Straighten your shoulders. Look upward before moving the back. Make sure your back is straight. And inhale, coming up. Lean slightly backward. Comfortably bend from the hip. Teeth together. Exhale very slowly. Head up. Elbows as much closer. Bend from the hip. Put the head down when you reach into the final position. Slowly inhale. Straight from the hip. Fine. Touch your bicep at the hip. Exhale. Bend from the hip. Focus forward. Wherever you reach comfortably. Don't go beyond your capacity. Hands are straight. Inhale very slowly. Stretch upward. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Focus forward. Inhale. Stretch upward. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Focus forward. Inhale. Stretch upward. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Focus forward. No bend at the knees or the elbows. Inhale very slowly. Stretch upward. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Collapse it. More than half an inch. Keep your hands a little higher than the shoulders. Little higher than the shoulders. Take a deep inhalation. Slow down, slow down. Keep close your eyes, keep smiling. Visualize and focus. Within the moving space, make it faster. Don't go beyond the capacity. Within the moving space, make it faster. Visualize how your normal breathing is adjusting with this particular posture. Up and down. Very slow and long exhalation. Slow down your body breathing. Slowly keep your right palm under the head.